fail swing. Hello, epic fail swing. Meet me again. Okay. I've got it. Oh! Come join me. It's Dex TV. Dex TV. It's Dex TV. My name is Dexter, and I'm making pizza. And this is my pizza sauce. I'm gonna grab a full spoon of it, just like this. And I'm gonna pour it onto my pizza. And I'm gonna smooth it all around it. Grab another scoop. Pour it on there. Smooth it. Smooth. There. I have step 2 of my pizza. And let's put the cheese on it. Grab a good amount. Make sure it doesn't drip. A little drip. Boom! Scream. Nom. Cheese. Corner. Grab. There. And now my hands are all cheesy. Everybody, I'm at part number 3. And now we're gonna be putting on the pepperoni. Slice by slice. The last thing is to close the oven door. And I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna have to get up close to the oven. Grab the napkin. Grab the cream. Do this and shut it. There we go. We're pretty much done. Bye. We're about to open up the oven and see if our pizza's done. It looks done. I'm so hungry. Hey everybody, and I'm eating pizza. And I'm gonna take a bite of it right now. And I'm kind of already eat it. That was incredible. Peace, subscribers.